identity as Eagles. Committed to service, honor, and welfare to our communities. This gathering marks a beginning, a first step towards open dialogue, understanding, and cooperation, without prejudice to different views, history, or professions. We recognize the unity is not achieved in a single meeting, but through sincerity, patience, and continued engagement. So help me God.
Thank you very much. At sa ating mga national presidents, you may now be seated, mga kuya.